भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितम् श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे श्रीराधिकाचरणोदयम् गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनो मनोहरम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my prostrated obeisance to the lotus feet of my beloved spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur, Grand Spiritual Master, His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, and offer the same to all appointed Acharya of Sri Brahma Rudra Shanak, 4 Sampradayas, and pure devotees as well. I am humbly begging from all of them, please bestow your mercy to carry the loving mission of Lord Chaitanya rest of my life with purity. Hare Krishna, Harinam Chintamani. So that goon quality, he expand his pastimes. Lilar Vistar, expand pastime. You can see, in order to fulfill the gopis' desire, Krishna appeared accordingly. In order to fulfill the Radharani's desire, because this is the quality of Krishna. Keeping too much affection towards his devotees, towards a follower. Even yourself, just think about it. Many devotees I have seen, they have no academic degree, but their life is more peaceful than who has academic qualification. I think all of you understand what I want to say, right? What I mean. Haridas Thakur have no any property, modern property, material property. But Haridas Thakur, one property he has sound faith on holy name. That quality, that wealth, make him always become blissful, happy. So Supreme Lord, Gun, his quality to make all of his devotees become happy. And a chid bostute naam roop gun lila bostu hoite prithak noy. Transcendental, everything same. Lord's name, Lord's form, Lord's quality, Lord's pastime, both are same. The four are same. Naam roop gun lila abhinna uday. Achit samparke baddha jive bhinna hoy. Naam roop gun lila abhinna uday means they are abhinna, actually there is no difference in transcendental abode, but achit means maya, which is not transcendental. Maya, whenever we touch maya, then material bound conditions, living entities, their quality bhinna. Bhinna means difference. You can see, you like sweet quality taste. Someone like bitter quality taste. Someone like sour quality taste. Different taste. You like yellow color. Someone like red color. Someone like different color. So in this material world, all your conditioned soul, baddha jeev, because we are in Maya, whatever association we are getting, we are our taste, our culture, our language, everything different. But transcendent about only one language, Sanskrit language. Dhruva Maharaj, when he was chanting, when he was meditating, when Lord appeared, and then he don't know how, what to speak, because he has only desire to complain about his father and mother, stepmother. Why his stepmother telling such things that if I really want to sit on the lap of my father, then I have to pray to Padma Palasalochana Hari, means the Supreme Lord, and leave this body and come again in her womb, then I become eligible to sit on the lap of my father, Uttanapada. It was a complaint, but when Lord appeared, Lord's beauty, Lord's quality, everything, so he forget everything. But he wanted to glorify Lord's beauty, Lord's quality. But he doesn't know Sanskrit. Then what happened? Then Lord Vishnu touched his conch. Conch is symbol of knowledge. Touch the conch to Dhruva's body, head, and all the knowledge appear. He immediately invents so many Sanskrit slok with the glories, which is content like a glories of Lord, qualities of Lord. Anyway, there is Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Achit samparke baddha jive bhinna hoy. Means baddha jiv means conditioned soul. They are naam roop gun lila bhinna means different. Like you can see someone in conditioned soul in the material world, people may have name like a Padma Lochon. Padma Lochon means whose eyes, Lochon means eyes, Padma means lotus. Who has lotus eyes, but in reality, he may be blind. The Naam Padma Lochon, but the meaning of the name and his quality is not the same. His feature is not the same. Roop. Maybe someone name is Gauranga, but he's totally black. Gauranga means whose body has fair, completely fair body. But his roof, form, black form, but his name Gauranga is different. quality, he is very ferocious, but his name become like someone keep his parents keep his name Prashanto. Prashanto means extremely peaceful, but is ferocious, always arguing. Such type of the condition show their name, their quality, their form, their everything different. So anyway, let me see that what exactly our Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained about them. Krishna Vibhu Chaitanya. Krishna is huge consciousness. Vibhu means huge, uncountable, unlimited. Chaitanya means conscious. The Krishna, actually whole Krishna's body is Atma, conscious. Our body and Atma difference, but Krishna's body and soul is not, there is no difference. Same. অতএব তার নাম রূপ গুণ ও লীলা তার চিন্ময় স্বরূপ হতে অভিন্ন. I already explained you. Therefore, his name, roop is form, name, form, quality, and pastimes. All are non-different from his Chinmaya Swarup, means transcendental form. Like Krishna, his name is really Krishna. And Jeev Chaitanya Kon means Jeev is tiny fire spark form of consciousness, Lord consciousness. Therefore we can say, we can see that Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, Jeev, Chit Kon Jeev, Krishna Chinmaya Bhaskar. Chit Kon means transcendental, tiny bit transcendental form, all living entities. সুতরাং শুদ্ধাবস্থায় তার নাম রূপ গুণ ও কর্ম তার চৈতন্য কণ স্বরূপ হইতে স্বভাবত অপৃথক. শুদ্ধাবস্থা means when they become pure, completely free from materially, completely free from material recognition, appreciation, name, fame, distinction, desire, and fully absorb Lord's names, to chant Lord's name. This is the condition is called Shuddha Avastha, means pure condition. Lord is pure, he always connected with Lord in every aspect. Then that situation, that condition, that living entities, a name, form, gun or karma, chaitanya kon swarup hoite swabhavato aprithak. There is no difference with chaitanya, means consciousness. Although it is tiny, but it is completely same. His name, like you can see, I can give an example. Rupa Goswami, such as Rupa Goswami. Now just to think about Rupa Goswami. In spiritual form, Shuddha Avastha means Siddha Deho, is Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari is his service, his age, everything same. Always remain same. Like this transcendental abode, everybody's age fixed, everybody's service fixed, everybody's mood fixed. Like Lalita Sakhi's mood Khandita, means if you made mistake, then immediately she will chastise him. But nowadays, if you chastise, if anyone made mistake, then he say bye-bye. Huh? So, but in Transcendental Abode, if you really want to render service to divine couple, then you have to follow Lalita Sakhi's order. Her age, fixed. The 14 years, 3 months, 11 days. Service fixed. Vital lips, fixed service. Cloth, peacock feather color cloth. Cloth means garments, color like this. Upper garment, lower garment, everything. Same color. Fixed color. Now today, peacock feather, tomorrow yellow color. Isn't not like that. Such type of. So when it is Shuddha Avastha. Shuddha Avastha means spiritual perfection. Spiritual perfection, form of spiritual perfection. When spiritually become perfect, means our name, our form, our quality, our service. Although we are Chaitanya Kon, means tiny fire spark form of Lord's or super soul, but we are not, or naturally apritak, means naturally we are same. If my naam is Lalita, means naam, means fully loving relation with, keeping fully loving relation with Radha. Then Baddha Jeev Achit Jagatir Sthul Linga Deho Paiya Shasha Rup Hoite Prithak Naam Rup Gun Kaun Kamajam. So Uttama would say, conditioned soul, this material world means illusionary world, universe. Sthul Linga means, Sthul means just gross body we are getting. Gross body we are getting. Yes, some can say, I am male, I am female, so I have different and form, name, form, Shasharup. Shasharup means different, or his own form and his name, Rup, Gun, Karma, Vayachen. That means according to this body, they are getting their name, their association. Like if you born in, I can give an example first. If you born in Christian family, your name should be Alexander, Christian name. But if you born in the association of Vaishnava family, then your name will be Ananda Murti. Such type of name. So they are getting according to the association, they are getting name. So anyway, this is explained by our Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Shuddha Jive Naam Roop Gun Kriya Ag Jarashite Dehe Bhed Aise Vive. Shuddha Jiv means pure devotee. Pure devotees, they are a name. You can see Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta's name at Nayana Mani Manjari. Roop, his body's color, actually Roop, form. Tapta Kanchana, like Radharani's color. Gun. Gun means what type of service he is performing for the satisfaction of Radha. So Gana Seva, singing Seva. Age, also 12 we are fixed. But outwardly you can see when he is in material world, you can see he is 62-year-old. After that he expired, physically expired. But in spiritual abode, because he become pure with this material world, with his sadhana, actually he is Nitya Siddha, eternally liberated. just for fulfilling the desire of Lord. What is that Lord desire? Lord desire to deliver all the living beings according to this Yuga Dharma, means according to our the present age, whatever the religiosity we have to follow. So you have to teach by example and deliver, and let all the living entities become delivered. Whoever inspired by him, they should be delivered. So therefore I am telling you, he was Nitya Siddha, eternally liberated, but he came down here like, sometime, this is my explanation. Sometime Lord sending his intimate associate to this material world just to deliver conditioned soul as much as they can. That is the purpose. That is the purpose. All the eternally liberated person like Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, they are coming down to born in here. Why I am telling so? Why I am telling so? I heard from Bhakti Kumar Santa Goswami Maharaj that Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur have 8 sons and 5 daughters. Elder son name is Annoda Prasad. Annoda Prasad, Shailaja Prasad, Biroja Prasad, Vimala Prasad, and total 8 sons, I can't remember now, but they have name. They have name, different name. So this Vimala Prasad is our Guru, our Prabhupada. Annoda Prasad. So Annoda Prasad, he was suffering so much. All the treatment Bhaktivinoda Thakur did just to make him cure. But he was not able to be cured. Why? He is not able to understand. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur unable to understand, realize. Then one day, after a long time suffering, one day Annoda Prasad explained to Bhaktivinoda Thakur, means his father, the father, I know what is the cause of my suffering. Actually, last life I was Ramanuj Sampradaya's Vaishnava. And at that time, I blasphemed to Vimala Prasad. This is the cause I am suffering now. All my suffering will completely cure if Vimala Prasad forgive me. So on my behalf, Father, request Brother Vimala Prasad, if you forgive me, I can be fully cured. So Bhakti Kumar Santa Goswami Maharaj told me in such a way. I mean, actually in a function, religious function, in order to glorify Srila Prabhupada's quality. So he explained that history. He says, as soon as Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained to Vimala Prasad, immediately Vimala Prasad came and explained in that manner, oh my elder brother, I don't know what mistake you had blasphemed you did in my past life, but whatever is it, I excuse you. As soon as as soon as that word coming from this, from the lips of Srila Bimala Prasad, then after few seconds, Anuradha Prasad physically passed away. So look, so therefore I am telling you, who is the completely pure, eternally liberated soul, Lord sent them to this to the mortal world just to deliver all conditioned soul from this miserable mundane condition or miserable mundane world. So therefore Prabhupada, he can see that he on his divine grace at the age of 62, you can see, and he physically passed away. But eternally you can see, there is explanation, his age have been fixed in 12 years. Always remain in spiritual abode, age 12 years. Service, Gano Seva. Body's color, his Tapta Kanchana. Means, Tapta Kanchana means burning gold color body. You can see also that Prabhupada, actually Siddharth Bhakti Rakha Sridhardev Goswami Maharaj composed very nice slok for him. Oti ko molo kanchana dirghotanu tanun nindito he mamrinalo modam মদনার বুদ্ধ বন্দিত চন্দ্র পদং প্রণমামি সদা প্রভু পাদ পদম. This অতি কোমল means extremely soft body or extremely soft, and color kanchana means gold color, and tall. Dirgha tanu. Tanu means body, dirgha means tall. Tanu nindito hema mrinala madam. Such a beautiful form of Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhantam. So, even this golden lotus beauty defeated by his body's beauty. This is the meaning. Tanu nindito hem. Hem means gold. Mrinal means lotus. Mrinalo modam. The lotus, golden lotus beauty also defeated by the beautiful form of Lord, Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhantam. That is the. Even I am just telling you that, in 1998, we arranged my Gurudeva's centennial ceremony in Jagannath Puri. And in that function, that ceremony time, that time all his physically presence, all his godmother appeared. Not only that, also almost all temple acharya, they came. So many. Means I counted that time more than 100 sannyasi gathering. Maybe 500-600 brahmachari from different society. They also gathered. More than 300-400 Western devotee. They also there. Our temple accommodation capacity very less. Only 9 rooms was there available. And 4-day function. So 100 years physically presence this Mahajan and mentally completely fit. So therefore, Chief Minister of Odisha, Janaki Vallabh Pattanayak, he came. King of Odisha, he also came, Dibba Singhadev. Law Minister of Central Law Minister, he also came. Chief Justice of Supreme Court, India, Ranganath Mishra, he also came to see, get blessings from him. So naturally, it was a huge crowd. Therefore, police camp near to our temple, it was one police camp. Police department, they opened one camp here just to make a festival peaceful. And whatever celebrate coming there, they should be protected from police. No one can gathered unnecessary. Such manner. At that time, one day, early morning, around 9 o'clock, Shanta Goswami Maharaj sitting in one room. He has own temple, he stay, but he came early. Whole day he used to spend here with us. So at 9 o'clock, I think before lunch, so all we are sitting in one room. We are keeping for him. Whenever he come, he will just sit over there. And all we are sitting on the floor. That time we are asking him, everybody talking about that time, everybody talking about Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada, this, Prabhupada do this, do that. So many people, so many, all his godmothers, all the senior devotees in Gaudiya Math, everybody talking about Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada. So at that time, I asked him that Maharaj, everybody is talking about Srila Prabhupada's glories. So I have a desire to know how Srila Prabhupada looks like. My idea, my conception I had, but I want to know. But they saw personally how is Prabhupada, how Prabhupada looks like. I want to know from their lips, their mouth. So then, Srila Santa Goswami Maharaj, little bit silent, then he opened his face and telling. So it is very difficult to explain properly how Srila Prabhupada looks like. So I can tell you an example. If you keep my Prabhupada in the middle of the hundreds beautiful women, in the middle, then your eyes goes first to Srila Prabhupada. It was his beauty like this. His beauty was like that. Then I just say, wow, how is it possible? Such a beautiful form, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. And then then I just trying to remember that the text, whatever composed by His Divine Grace, Bhakti Rakshak Siddhartha Goswami Maharaj. Oti komo lokanchana dirghato nung tono nindito hema mrinal madam mrinal padmo. Hema mrinal means lotus, golden lotus beauty depicted by Srila Prabhupada's beautiful form. Wow, really? So look, therefore, in the spiritual vision, our Guru Varga saw Srila Prabhupada's eternal form, the color of his body is Tapta Kanchanam. Therefore, we are, when we meditate Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, always we are remembering in this way, in this sloka, Tapta Kanchana Shuddhabhyang Tarabali Parihitam Nayana Mani Manjaring Bande Gano Shiva Parayanam. Whatever I explain you, it is there. Tapta Kanchana Shuddham means his body's color like a burning gold. Radharani's color. Tapta Kanchana. Then his garment color is like a Taravali, means star. In the blue sky, star is there. Such Taravali Parihitam. Garment color. And then Nayanamani, his name, his spiritual name, Nayanamani Manjari, means eternal name. Then Nayanamani Manjari, Gano Seva, his service, singing service. Fixed. Always fixed, his age fixed, his name fixed, his service fixed, everything fixed. So it is described by, it was described by Srila Prabhu, Srila Bhakti Kumar Santa Goswami Maharaj. So therefore I know he has such a beautiful form. But in spiritual abode he also beautiful. Shuddha jive naam roop gun kriya ek. Shuddha means pure devotees. They are naam roop gun kriya ek. They never ever blaspheme to anyone. They always helping the tendency to become well-wisher to all living beings. Yeah. If a person is pure or impure, then you can just see when he always thinking about how to deliver people. Means become well-wisher to all living beings. He never discriminate. He is my enemy, he is my friend. Never. He never discriminate between honor and dishonor. He never discriminate between happiness and distress. He never ever discriminate criticism and praising. This is the quality of pure devotees. If someone, you can just see someone is pure or impure, just to think about, just to say something which is not true, then you can see his mood. If you look, his mood becomes so anger mood about him. Of course, if you just speak, if you blaspheme to Guru, to any Guru Varga, that's okay. Actually, Guru Varga, if you speak, if he become angry, that's okay. Why? Because Krodha Bhaktodya. If anyone blaspheme to our Guru Varga, we have to be lion to jump on his head. But if someone saying anything bad about us, we should remain silent. It means about me. This is my duty to remain silent and think about that. I am not committed whatever he complain, whatever he accusing me. But maybe near future I am going to commit such type of mistake. You just think in this way and become quiet. So this is the nature of Shuddha Jeev. They are such type of living entities. Naam, Roop, Gun, Kriya, Ek. I have seen also my spiritual master. If anything say, when anybody say anything against him, he always remains silent. Baba, this is my quality. But give me Give me your potency to uplift my quality and become a real Vaishnava. I am not even Vaishnava now. I think I explained one day that one Acharya says in his name that Srila Puri Maharaj is Kanishtadhikari. You know, whenever I heard it, I feel really angry on that Acharya. And I feel really uneasy. So that Acharya says something against of my Gurudeva's nature, which is not like that. He is not Kanishtadhikari. But he said, I went there. Hidden manner, I went there and met with him. They say, then he says, when I went to Malaysia, everybody talking about Puri Maharaj, Puri Maharaj, Puri Maharaj. I am coming there for the sake of my Gurudeva mission. I just say like that. He admitted that. But anyway, so what happened? I just come back with distressful mood, and then Gurudev asked me, because I used to be his personal servant. So Gurudev asked me, today looks like you are not happy. Why? Then I explained the reason. Then he was smiling and says, actually I was thinking I am not even Kanishtadhikari. I am not able to deserve it because I am totally unqualified. Because Kanishtadhikari means to keep sound faith on deities. But I don't think so I have sound faith on deities. But it is not true. He is not Kanishtadhikari and he has sound faith on deities. He has sound faith on Vaishnava service. He has sound faith on Krishna's pastimes. So anyway, so this is that I have seen my Gurudeva nature like this. Shuddha jiver naam roop gun kriya ek. This whenever we become spiritually perfect, then our naam accordingly appear, reveal in our heart, form. How I explain about Srila Prabhupada, it will be also appear to us. Jadashita dehe bhed eise vivek. Jadashita means when we have material body, material condition, we are in the material condition, that time our always difference. Form, name, quality, activities, everything difference. Krishna nahi jala gandha ate pata. Krishna, not there is no any material. Krishna, although he is in material world, but he is not materially attached. Neither with his Maya, neither its Jiva. Therefore, we need Guru. Through Guru means pure devotee, Lord Krishna bestow his mercy. Not direct mercy we cannot get. Unless or until we are not free from the unwanted mundane desire. Anyway, so we can talk it too much mosquito and hot here. So we can talk tomorrow. So Krishna nahi jala gandha atheptaye naam rup gun lila ek tattva bhai. We can talk about it tomorrow. Hare Krishna.